Good morning, honey.
Morning. I slept so well.
It is Saturday.
No work today.
I love Saturdays.
Me too. Any plans?
I have an idea.
Tell me.
Let's make pizza.
Pizza? Homemade?
Yes, from scratch.
That sounds fun.
It will be great.
I never made pizza.
Me neither.
Can we do it?
Of course we can.
I trust you.
I found a recipe online.
Show me.
Look, it looks easy.
Only 5 steps?
Yes, very simple.
What do we need?
Tomatoes and basil.
And cheese, right?
Yes, fresh mozzarella.
What about the dough?
We need flour and yeast.
Do we have flour?
No flour at home.
That is okay.
We need to buy some.
The farmer's market.
Great idea. I love that place.
They have fresh vegetables.
And the Italian deli.
For the cheese?
Yes, they have the best.
Let me get the car keys.
I will write a list.
Good idea. Let's go.
This will be a great day.
Wow, so many vegetables.
Good morning. Welcome.
Everything looks fresh.
All from my farm.
Your farm? Really?
Yes, just 10 miles away.
That is wonderful.
I pick them every morning.
I need tomatoes.
How many do you need?
6 big ones, please.
These are the best.
They look perfect.
Very sweet and juicy.
I also need basil.
Fresh basil? Right here.
It smells amazing.
I picked it this morning.
I will take a bunch.
What are you making?
Homemade pizza tonight.
That sounds delicious.
It is our first time.
You will love it.
Any tips for me?
Use ripe tomatoes.
Good to know.
They have more flavor.
Do you have bell peppers?
Red or green?
One of each, please.
Great choice for pizza.
Anything else you suggest?
Try some mushrooms.
Good idea. I will take some.
They taste great on pizza.
How much is everything?
That is $10.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Enjoy your pizza.
Welcome. How can I help?
Hi, I need mozzarella.
Fresh or packaged?
Fresh, please.
Good choice. How much?
1 big ball.
This one is very good.
Can I touch it?
Of course. Feel it.
Oh, it is so soft.
That means it is fresh.
I will take this one.
Anything else?
Do you have olive oil?
Yes, Italian olive oil.
Which one is the best?
This brand is popular.
How much is it?
$8 for the bottle.
That is a good price.
It is on sale today.
I will take it.
Great. For cooking?
Yes, making pizza tonight.
How exciting.
Our first time.
Fresh cheese is the best.
Better than store cheese?
Much better. It melts so well.
Any other tips?
Use high heat.
How long to bake?
About 12 to 15 minutes.
Got it. Thank you so much.
That is $18 total.
Here is my card.
Tap right here. Done.
Thank you for all the tips.
Good luck with your pizza.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
Hi. 2 coffees, please.
Sure. Hot or iced?
1 hot, 1 iced.
What sizes?
Both medium, please.
Any flavor?
Vanilla in the hot one.
And the iced one?
Just regular, please.
Anything to eat?
Do you have muffins?
Yes. Blueberry or chocolate?
2 blueberry, please.
Great. That is $9.50.
Here, keep the change.
Thank you. Your name?
Sarah.
Sarah. Order is ready.
That was so fast.
We're quick here.
It smells wonderful.
Nice Saturday so far?
Yes, we are making pizza.
Homemade? That is awesome.
Our first time.
I love homemade pizza.
Do you make pizza?
Yes, every Friday night.
Wow. Any tips for me?
Keep it simple.
Simple is best?
Yes, less is more.
I will remember that.
And have fun with it.
Great advice. Thank you.
Enjoy your pizza night.
Thank you. Bye.
Hi, find everything okay?
Almost. Where is the flour?
Aisle 3, on the left.
Thank you.
Need help with anything else?
Where is the yeast?
Same aisle, top shelf.
Got it. Thanks.
Making bread?
Pizza, actually.
Oh, fun. Homemade?
Yes, first time.
That is exciting.
I hope it goes well.
I am sure it will.
Do you cook pizza?
Sometimes it is easy.
Really? Any tips?
Do not use too much water.
I will remember that.
You will need olive oil.
Already got some.
You are well prepared.
My wife planned everything.
Smart wife.
She really is.
Ready to check out?
Yes, and 2 sodas.
Regular or diet?
1 of each.
Let me scan everything. That is $16.50.
Here is my card.
Tap here. All done.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too. Enjoy the pizza.
We are back.
That was a great trip.
I got you coffee.
Thank you, honey.
Let's start cooking.
What do I do first?
Wash your hands.
Okay, done.
Put on this apron.
Do I need an apron?
Trust me, you will need it.
Okay, how do I look?
Like a real chef.
Ha, I like that.
Now mix the flour.
How much flour?
2 cups.
2 cups. Got it.
Add warm water slowly.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Now what?
Add the yeast.
Just a little?
Yes, 1 small packet.
The dough is sticky.
That is normal.
My hands are a mess.
You look so funny.
Hey, do not laugh.
Sorry, keep mixing.
How long do we wait?
30 minutes to rise.
I will cut the tomatoes.
Be careful with the knife.
I am always careful.
The basil smells so good.
Everything smells amazing.
The dough is ready.
Wow, it is bigger now.
The yeast worked.
Let me flatten it.
Use your hands.
Like this?
Make it round.
It is not very round.
That is okay. It is homemade.
Ha, homemade shape.
Now add the tomato sauce.
How much sauce?
Not too much.
Okay, then the cheese?
Yes, lots of cheese.
I love cheese.
Me too. Add the peppers.
And the mushrooms.
Put them on top.
Some basil too?
After baking, not now.
Got it.
Add a little olive oil.
It looks beautiful.
Like a real pizza.
Into the oven.
Set the timer.
15 minutes?
Yes, high heat.
I cannot wait.
Me neither.
It is done.
Let me take it out.
Oh, wow, look at that.
It is golden and bubbly.
It smells incredible.
Add the fresh basil now.
Perfect.
We did it, Tom.
We really did.
Coming.
Hey, Sarah.
Hi, Mike. Come in.
Something smells amazing.
We made pizza.
Homemade pizza?
Yes, our first time.
It looks incredible.
Do you want some?
Really? I would love that.
Of course. Sit down.
You are so kind.
We made too much.
Too much is never bad.
Here, Try a slice.
Wow, this is delicious.
Really? You think so?
The cheese is perfect.
We used fresh mozzarella
I can taste the basil.
from the farmer's market.
The crust is so crispy.
Tom made the dough.
He did a great job.
I will tell him that.
The peppers are so good.
Thank you, Mike.
You two are great cooks.
Tom helped a lot.
Can I have another slice?
Help yourself, Mike.
Best pizza I ever had.
That is so sweet.
I am serious.
We will make it again.
Please invite me again.
You are always welcome.
I will bring dessert next time.
That sounds wonderful.
Mike really loved it.
He ate 4 slices.
I only had 2.
Here, have more.
Thank you, babe.
The night is so nice.
I love sitting out here.
Me too. So peaceful.
No noise, just us.
This was a great day.
The best Saturday.
Do you remember the market?
The tomatoes were so red.
And Jake was so nice.
Everyone was friendly today.
We should do this more.
Cook together,
Yes, I loved every part.
even the sticky dough.
Especially that part.
Your face had flour on it.
Huh, so did yours.
What should we make next?
Maybe pasta?
Homemade pasta? Wow!
Why not?
You are ambitious.
We are a good team.
The best team.
Good one.
I am so happy right now.
Me too, honey. Simple things are the best.
Like homemade pizza
And farmers markets.
and Saturday mornings.
And cooking together.
Best day ever.